You're listening live. We have a number of severe thunderstorm warnings, a number of urgent warnings, which are going on across the country. Therefore, in response to that, we're going live. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Monroe County in south central Alabama. This is until 7:30 p. until 6:45 Central Daylight Time. Monroe County in south central Alabama, northeastern Clark County in southwestern Alabama. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, that's 20 minutes ago, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Whately or 9 miles south of Grove Hill, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Now, this storm, the thing about this storm, and the reason I picked this storm out, there's other warnings, I believe, but this one, there's a tornado possible. This thing might develop into a tornado. There is a hail threat, and the hail size is up to 3/4 of an inch, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. But here's the main thing with this storm it's the National Weather Service tells us, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and could lead to flash flooding. Never drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. And the National Weather Service, their line is always turn around and don't drown. So we had a number of storms earlier today over in Mississippi. Some had tornado potential. Some had continuous cloud-to-ground lightning. Others had heavy torrential downpours. This one has at least 2 of the 3. It doesn't have tornado. It does have tornado potential, but there's no tornado warning in effect yet, according to the information that I am getting over here. We have a flash flood warning, which is in effect for the areas along the Gulf. Let's skip that one, actually. We have a severe thunderstorm warning, which is in effect for severe thunderstorm warning. This comes from, well, we'll just figure this out. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 Central Daylight Time for Brown County. At 6:20 p.m., that's 6 minutes ago, a severe thunderstorm is located over Mount Sterling, moving north at 40 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, radar indicated. Okay, this severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of Brown County, including the following locations: Coopertown, Mount Station, Ripley, and Versailles. Hail threat is radar indicated less than 3/4 of an inch. And this is this is for St. Louis. This is being issued by the St. Louis National Weather Service, which covers eastern Missouri and west central Illinois. So the St. Louis National Weather Service is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning, and it remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Well, there's a lot of we have another severe thunderstorm warning. This is in northern Indiana, in northeastern Ohio. This is the National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County in north central Indiana, eastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, and western St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan. This is until 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bristol, or 9 miles east of Simonton Lake, moving north at 50 miles per hour. The hazard is 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. I think this storm was over the Chicago area, not the actual Chicago city, but to the west and to the south of the Chicago metro area. But locations impacted include Three Rivers, Middlebury, Constantine, Bristol, White Pigeon, Marcellus, Union, Flower Field, Moatville, Moore Park, Jones, Corey Lake, Shavehead Lake, Howardsville, Clear Lake, and Wackley. I don't know if I'm pronouncing these names right, but this includes the Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile marker 97 and 108. The hail threat is radar indicated. The max hail size is 3/4 of an inch, and the maximum wind gust is 60 miles per hour. We have a severe weather statement issued at 7:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, but that alert has expired. We have many severe thunderstorm warnings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 right here. One of them was issued at 7:03, expiring 7:45 Eastern Daylight Time. Another one expiring. One was issued at 7:22 p.m. One was issued just 8 minutes ago. This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service in southwestern Ohio. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of Ohio, Franklin, and eastern Ripley counties in southeastern Indiana, Union County and east central Indiana, Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, southeastern Fayette County in east central Indiana, and northwestern Switzerland County in southwestern Indiana, northern Boone County in northern Kentucky, western Hamilton, and Butler counties in southwestern Ohio through 8:15 p.m. At 7:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Batesville to 8 miles north of Vevey, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The hazard of wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour, along with half-inch hail, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, and very heavy rain. This is radar indicated. The impact is gusty winds can knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Hail may cause minor damage to outdoor objects. Lightning can cause serious injury or death. God forbid. Visibility will be poor and hydroplaning is possible. Locations impacted include Cincinnati, Hamilton, Fairfield, Oxford, Forest Park, Connersville, Springdale, Harrison, North College Hill, Wyoming, Cheviot, Batesville, Mount Healthy, Lawrenceburg, Greendale, Aurora, Brookville, Rising Sun, Bright, and Hidden Valley. And it includes the many intersections. The max hail size is a half an inch. And max, where is this right now? Okay, the max hail size is a half an inch. Okay, let's go to the next severe thunderstorm warning. This was issued at 7 o'clock. It's in effect until 7:45 p.m. And this is also northern Indiana. Several severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fulton County, north central Indiana, western Miami County until 7:45 p.m. 6:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Walton or near Grissom, moving north at 50 miles per hour. It's a similar storm as previous ones. So far, all of them have 60 mile per hour wind gusts, but that's the bare minimum to make it to the severe threshold. So they're severe, but it's barely. Okay, we have one. Where's this one? This is in This is the Chicago National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:29 p.m. This is 4 minutes ago. You know, if this is the Chicago already. A severe thunderstorm is located near Highland, moving north at 55 miles per hour. The hazard 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. Expect damage to roof siding and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Maryville, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Griffith, Dyer, St. John Lake Station, Linwood, and Whiting. This includes Indiana University, Northwest, Purdue University, Northwest Hammond, Illinois Motor Speedway, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. This includes the following intersections: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile marker 1 and 12, Interstate 90 between mile marker 3 and 18, Indiana Interstate I-65 between mile markers 252 and 261. The hill threat is radar indicated. The maximum hill size is less than 3/4 of an inch. The wind threat is radar indicated 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. We have, this looks like the same one. A severe thunderstorm warning for Clark and Monroe until 6:45 p.m. We have a flash flood warning. A flash flood warning, which is in effect, this is the Tallahassee, Florida. Tallahassee, Florida National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Gulf County in the Panhandle of Florida. This is until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time and 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I don't know why they have both if we're dealing with Florida. It could be we're going out into the Gulf of Mexico here. But that, okay, I don't, 5:29 p.m., so it says the Gulf, but I don't, 5:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 6:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, this is just 7 minutes ago. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen in the last 4 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding is produced by thunderstorms. Radar and automated gauges are the source. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Port St. Joe, Jones Homestead, Wardridge, Simons Bayou, Milton, Highland View, Indian Pass, St. Joseph State Park, Cape San Blas, Odina, and St. Joe Beach. A flash flood radar gauge indicated. I have to get off right now. I might go back on.